Saurabh Jana is asking, while configuring organization model, BP creation was getting failed multiple times. What would be the possible reason? One of the possible reason, so as soon as you save it, we have a standard configuration in the system, which try to create a business partner. I have seen that why system is getting failed, why system try to get failed. One thing is that your number range. Okay. So when you create a business partner, system try to identify a business partner grouping. So it try to identify the default grouping for the business partner, right? When a business partner is created, the first thing you required is BP grouping. Okay. This BP grouping would be having a number range. We have exactly the same issue in the last session when we were working in 2021, and then BP creation was failing. So the issue at that time was when the BP creation got failed, the issue at that time was the BP grouping, there is a default grouping for an internal number range. That's what system was selecting it. And then when it was going to the number range was exhausted. There is no new number available to be given for the BP. Because of that reason, the BP was getting failed. So basically, we need to check the BP grouping configuration. You need to check the BP number range configuration. You need to also check the, if that is correct, you need to check the integration configuration. Okay, integrated configuration, you need to check it. If BP is not created and you are getting an error message, if BP is not created and you are getting an error message, you need to work on to resolve this error. And within the error message, system would also be showing you a SC38 program. SC38 program would be shown, which system would be showing once you resolve the error, you run this program so that your org element is assigned with the business partner. Okay, that is the additional step which you need to do. We'll talk about a little bit more on the business partner. I take it very detailed in my mastery and excellence courses of SD and MM. But we'll talk about a little bit more because in next session, we need to maintain the master data.